Today, I'm going to show you how to connect Rescue Time and Unforgettable Me. So what is Unforgettable Me? Well, it's a place where you can store your life data and then have the opportunity to sell that data to university researchers interested in studying people in the real world. Rescue Time, on the other hand, is a service that allows you to track your time management across multiple types of devices such as computers, tablets, and mobile phones. After connecting Rescue Time with Unforgettable Me, you will start to receive Rescue Time summaries in your Unforgettable Me timeline. If you haven't already, you'll need to sign up with Unforgettable Me. So let's do that now. On the Unforgettable Me website, click Register, enter a preferred name, enter a valid email address, add a password, and click I'm not a robot. Google will ask you probably to jump through some hoops and create an account. Now we need to confirm the email address that we're using. So I'm going to that email address now, and I'll just copy and paste it, the link in here, although you can just click on the link. There we go. Yeah, email address has been confirmed and our registration is now complete. So now we can log in. And now we're logged in to the Unforgettable Me website. Now, if you haven't already, you'll need to sign up for a Rescue Time account. Currently, you can still get free Rescue Time accounts, so that's what we're going to do. If you do a Google search for Rescue Time Lite, you'll see this link here, and I'll put this link in the description of the video. Okay, you need to give them an email address. Now this account's free forever. Rescue Time. And add a password. And click sign up. Now, Rescue Time is going to prompt you to install apps both on your computer and on your browser. By installing these apps on your computer, it will start recording how much time you spend on the different applications on your computer. And likewise, if you install the browser plugins, it'll time how long you spend on different websites. So you should install those as well. Now that we've signed up with both Rescue Time and Unforgettable Me, we can connect these services using the IFTTT. The IFTTT, which is short for If This Then That, is like the glue that allows various services on the internet to connect and share information. IFTTT.com. You can create and use recipes that make things happen between different services such as Rescue Time and Unforgettable Me. So for instance, we can tell the IFTTT that every time a daily summary is created by Rescue Time, that we want to send that daily summary to your Unforgettable Me account. Click sign up. Now you can sign up with your Apple, Google or Facebook accounts, but I'm going to sign up with an email address. Add a password. And sign up. skip this. Once you've signed up, do a search for Unforgettable Me. If you click Get More, Unforgettable. And if you have a look under Services here, you'll see Unforgettable Me. Now, we want to connect Rescue Time and Unforgettable Me, and there's an applet here. These are the applets, and probably the easiest way to find it is just to do a search for Rescue Time Daily Summary. If we click on that, now we want to click Connect. It's going to take me to Unforgettable Me, and so I can get my approval to start uploading data to Unforgettable Me. I'll just sign in here again with my Rescue Time account. Oh, with my Rescue Time Unforgettable Me account. Now, in Unforgettable Me, I'm going to authorize to have IFTTT upload to my account. Authorize. Now, we also have to do this with our Rescue Time accounts. So it's going to take me to Rescue Time. And again, I have to authorize that I want every time Rescue Time creates a summary to send it through the IFTTT to somewhere else. So I'll authorize, and that somewhere else is going to be Unforgettable Me. I've clicked authorize, and there you have it. Now we've completed these steps, your Rescue Time summaries will be sent to your Unforgettable Me account each day. So thank you for using Unforgettable Me, and I hope you found this video helpful.